Hello, friends. Imagine your toddler burned her hand on the stove top after you warned her not to touch it. Would you then place her hand back on the stove, causing more pain, in punishment for her disobedience? Or perhaps you would place your own hand on the stove to appease your need to harm someone, but not wishing to harm your child. Both of these seem preposterous, but we often willingly embrace these claims about our Father in heaven. You see, you wouldn't need to harm your child nor yourself in order to move past your child's disobedience. Why then do we believe our Father needed to harm someone to pardon our disobedience? Does God have a more primitive moral compass than us? I think not. It's clear that Jesus' death was the integral element of our salvation, but not of our forgiveness. It's because we were already loved and forgiven that Jesus came to die. We'll continue these thoughts tomorrow. Godspeed, my friends. Have you ever wondered what God is like? At times, he's been depicted as a malicious and overbearing dictator, and other times as an uninvolved and impersonal force. Some say we can't put God in a box. He's too mysterious, too unpredictable. Sometimes it seems that the Bible has already placed God in the box of mystery and unpredictability. But if we connect all the dots the Bible presents, we actually can find the box that God fits into, and we might be very surprised when we clearly see the God who fits into that box.